Today's IT job opportunities for July 19, 2026. Wish you the best of luck, and God bless you. Please check the video description for the full application links. Job title: Enterprise Senior Software Engineer, Python, Cloud, REST. Employer: Areas Ventures. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $195,000 to $285,000. Job title: Founding Backend Engineer. Employer: LinkedIn Next Step. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $90,000 to $120,000. Job title: Software Engineer, Full-Stack/Simulation. Employer: Obsidian Solutions Group LLC. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $112,000 to $146,000. Job title: Software Development Engineer 2 Backend. Employer: ESRI. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $97,240. Job title: AIA Azure Data Engineer. Employer: Avani Technology Solutions Incorporated. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Enterprise Software Engineer, Kubernetes, SSP, Terraform. Employer: Areas Ventures. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $125,000 to $145,000. Job title: Enterprise Senior Software Engineer, AI or ML, Python, PyTorch. Employer: Areas Ventures. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $215,000 to $245,000. Job title: Senior Snowflake Data Engineer. Employer: VeriPro. Employment type: contractor. Job title: Senior Full-Stack Software Engineer. Employer: Commence. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $125,000. Job title: HPC Senior Software Engineer, Linux, Shell, Python. Employer: Areas Ventures. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $250,000 to $275,000. Job title: Scientific Programmer I Algorithm Integration. Employer: Gamma One Technologies. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Enterprise Senior Software Engineer, Java, Containers, Microservices. Employer: Areas Ventures. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $215,000 to $275,000. Job title: Enterprise Software Engineer, Java, API, OOP. Employer: Areas Ventures. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $150,000 to $275,000. Job title: Enterprise Senior Software Engineer, React, Python, AWS. Employer: Areas Ventures. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $245,000 to $270,000. Job title: Software Engineer, Systems. Employer: Boeing. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $94,350 to $136,850. Job title: Senior Software Engineer, full-time. Employer: TLA LLC. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Enterprise Senior RF Software Engineer, DSP, Linux, C++. Employer: Areas Ventures. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $250,000 to $274,000. Job title, Remote Software Engineer, Data Infrastructure and Acquisition. Employer, Dell Services. Employment type, full-time. Job title, Software Engineer, 7 years DoD experience. Employer, Advantage Engineering and IT Solutions Incorporated. Employment type, full-time. Job title, Senior Data Engineers, Databricks. Employer, On Data Staffing. Employment type, full-time.